Hi and welcome to another watch review video on my channel. And again, it's G-Shock. This is a military style timepiece with a reverse color digital dial. It's another extremely popular durable G-Shock watch that's affordable with an impressive 7-year approximate battery life. So let's start from the looks. What an eye can see. Well, it's all G with this watch. It's what a G-Shock stands for: rugged design and looks. Not too big, but eye-catching. The detail I like is the module number on a watch strap. The thing I don't like is the cheap plastic buckle, which is the only item on a watch with glossy finish. I really like the illumination on this watch, although it's old yet modern looking, and does its purpose very well too. Protecting the front of the watch, we have a specially hardened mineral crystal glass. This style of the glass is exactly what I expect from a watch that's designed to offer shock resistance. The glass is scratch and shatter resistance, which makes it ideal for this type of watch. It's another typical large timepiece from the G-Shock range. This watch has an oversized style with a 51mm casing diameter and 18mm in thickness. There's no doubting that this is the chunky watch that's really going to stand out on your wrist, and many people love the feature. Just remember that if you have a smaller wrist, this type of oversized watch might not be ideal for you. G-Shocks are known for their multifunction capabilities, and this timepiece is no different. Extra function of this watch includes a world time display, countdown timer, 5 alarms, super LED light, stopwatch, world time display, automatic calendar. There's also a display flash. There's a light diode that flashes as soon as an alarm or countdown time or the hour signal has been reached. The water resistance level of this watch is 200 meters. This is what you find in many G-Shock watches and something I'm always impressed with. A rating of 200 meters or 200 bars or 600 feet makes this watch suitable for professional marine activity, serious surface water sports and skin diving. So let's get through some basic watch functions and features of this watch. I'm gonna begin this segment with the watch indicator. So here we have the alarm indicator. This is the hourly time signal indicator. This is the mute indicator, and this is the graphic area. Let's call it A, and this is the graphic area B. I'm gonna talk about it later. This is the over here we have the LT when it's auto light switch on. That would have the indicator on the screen. Also, a flash alert on the indicator will be over here, placed over here. Over here you would have the AM or PM indicator, also the DST, which stands for the daylight saving time indicator. Let's get through some of the basic modes on the general guide of this watch. Shuffling through the modes is done by pressing the mode button over here, and it's inscribed on the watch the face, or sorry, the outer bezel. And first function would be the world time mode, and then comes the alarm mode, countdown timer mode, and stopwatch mode, and pressing it again returns us to the standard timekeeping mode. So let's see what are these graphic areas that I previously talked about. Well, the graphic area B and the graphic A and graphic area B. Graphic area A in the timekeeping mode and world time mode, segments indicate the current so let's see what the camera can catch it. Segments indicate the current time in units of 10 seconds. In the countdown timer mode and stopwatch mode, segments indicate the ongoing timer measurements in the units of 1/10 of a second. The graphic area B over here, in the timekeeping mode and world time mode, segments indicate the current time in units of 1 second, and in the countdown timer mode and stopwatch mode, segments indicate the ongoing timer measurements in units of 1 second. In the timekeeping mode, multi-time feature gives you quick and easy access to the current time and date in 4 different cities, numbered from T1 to through the T2 through all the way to T4. T1 is your home city, and there it is. As I press the adjust button once, it shows the Tokyo as time 1, and that's your home city, and T2, T3, and T4 are local times. Local times are kept in synchronization with your home city. What are these subdials, or the main dials, actually mean? Well, that's the day of the week, the month and day, and here we have the hour, minutes, and the seconds. Switching between the time screens, each press of the lower left button can shuffle between these T1 to T4, that's the local times, and it will shuffle through those times. While the home city screen is displayed, pressing lower left or the adjust button will switch the day of the week / month day indication to the currently selected home city and the T1 indicator for about 1 second. Setting the value at your local times, that's the T2, T3, or T4. Let's say number T1 is the your home city, so that's your primary, but let's say I want to change the value of T2. To change the value at T2, first scroll through T2, and I have done that, and then depress the adjust button, and time code or the city code will start to flash. Use these two buttons to shuffle between the city values, or the city names, and that would stand for automatically the different time zone or of the what this city represents. So let's say I want to go with the Stockholm or Athens. Let's leave it at Athens, and once I'm done, press the adjust button again, and we are back. So shuffling again to T1, we have your current time zone, then your T2 is the Athens, and procedure is the same for T3 and T4. Basically, those would be the recapitulation of the review and the basic operations and functions and functionalities of this watch. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe for more watch content on this channel. Thanks.